Hi, my name is John Delante. I'm a visual artist and a photographer based in Toronto. I'm part of a show called Shrouded Gaze, an exhibition for Scotiabank Contact Photography Festival, exhibiting alongside with Anina Rafa, created by a friend, Frida Wang. My series called Repose Renewal tells the story of my friends that I haven't seen for 7 years. I come up with this idea. It was based from a project that I did when I was an undergrad. With the previous project, I focused on personal objects that I brought from Philippines to here in Toronto. With this one, it is more a departure from the objects that I brought. And I feel with this body of work, it really ties with notions of home, belonging, and identity. And this project entails about my love for my friends, or a love letter to my friends. I feel photographing them is a way for me to capture or freeze the time for us to cherish those moments. For my work, I focus on platonic love as my thematic arc of this show. No one really talks about platonic friendships, and I feel like my work kind of dives into what friendship means after you guys separated for too long. And I want my viewers to look each photo as if they were family albums, because that's how I treated them, these small frames, as little family albums that you could see in houses. I want my viewers to come in and feel I can see myself in these photographs, and I feel my work provides comfort for them, and I want to resonate. There's more to life.
Me.